Alright. What is going on, guys? It's Ultimate 3 back with another video. And we're doing Be a Good Boy, Don't Get Caught Part 2. But instead, we're going to be in semi-trucks. And first, Corey's going to be the cop. Corey is going to be the cop first.
Yes,
Yeah, it's just semi-truck edition. Alright, where's Corey at?
Hey, don't hit me!
We gotta get this
Sitting on my
thumbnail.
stuff.
I'm gonna hit you with a flashlight, okay? Oh, no, that's a baseball bat. Nope, that's a crowbar. Oh, that's a bomb. Alright.
Come on.
I blinded him, and then I took him out.
Hey!
Nope.
Hey!
Shoot!
Hey, stop running! Stop running! Stop running!
I blinded you, you can't see. I blinded you, you
This
can't
reminds
see.
me of that one time where every time.
Oh, wait, he's even in a
Jake would
cop
say something.
suit. Oh, wait, here, there's a freaking dead body in the cop car. Even better for the thumbnail.
What's up, gamers?
It's even better for the thumbnail. Here, Darren, watch out. Who just joined the party?
My friend. I can invite you guys to steal.
Okay.
No.
Darren, move. You're in the freaking way.
I'm sorry.
I'm on the... Yeah. Yeah, 3 or 4, yeah.
Alright, it's good.
Well, I'm actually kind of busy right now. We could play away until later. That's fine.
Alright, let's get in the semi-trucks.
Okay, I can resume my video. Okay.
Did you guys
Oh, I
pause
didn't
it?
even pause it. No.
Yeah, I resumed mine.
Delete that part. Alright, let's
Nah.
get it on the highway.
What the?
It's dead body.
What's happening?
Oh,
Okay. Are we rolling?
yeah, we have to follow Corey first. Because I have no clue where we're going.
Oh.
Can't
Let's
get
do the
arrested.
bay.
Yeah, we'll just end once we get to Pluto Bay. And if it's too short, we'll just go all the way back from Pluto Bay to...
Alright, we're gonna start right here.
Alright,
Get in front of me.
Oh my
wish it
my
did.
truck's making that rattling sound.
That destination to Pluto Bay. That to the unlocking.
Here, let me...
I'll just follow Jake.
Okay. I'm setting it
Alright,
Baker's garage.
you start now.
I'm
Yeah,
dipping, I'm
rolling.
dipping. I ain't gonna get caught this time.
Here, let me get on this side.
I'm at a good
Oh, there's a
speed.
cop right there. Is he going after you, Corey?
No.
I'm not getting pulled over first. That's not happening this time.
Oh, Darren, you might have to... Did you have to stop? Oh, you have to
Yeah.
stop. Dookie. Dookie.
Here, wait for
I
us,
passed
we
it
don't-
right before it
So
turned.
here, this for us. So
Here,
we don't
I'll
get separated.
I'll park. Yeah. Tell me when you're coming.
Oh, excuse me.
What happened?
Excuse me. Ma'am. Let's have attention, please.
What the?
Dude, your light's still red.
Alright, go. What? Okay.
Corey got the pull that man over.
Pedestrian.
Hey, Jacob, yeah. Oh my god.
There you
Darren,
go,
what
come over.
happened to your truck?
Oh, we were shooting at it, remember? We were...
No,
Okay,
your
which way are we
truck
turning?
lagged on my screen.
Oh.
We just have to go straight. We have to go straight. What happened?
It's my lane, Darren. Get. Let's get.
He's gonna get arrested for that.
He
You
turned my
get a
lane.
ticket for turning into your lane.
And run over, lady. Okay, that's fine.
To be fine.
Yeah.
I'll wait for
garage
you right
gate.
here.
Why am I always the first one?
Knocking on window.
Thank God Corey's not over here. I just
Put
accidentally
on your
hit a
window,
man.
sir.
Corey, there's someone
give me-
fighting me. Corey, help! Someone's trying to freaking beat me
I
up.
get you. I get you.
Corey, Corey,
Hold on, I
Hey,
can't
put on your window.
break my window.
police
I'm
officer,
trying.
police officer.
Get a gun.
Bro, there's someone trying to kick my
Well,
freaking
then-
butt.
Oh,
Defend yourself.
Okay, you want me to beat him up then?
you know
Fine.
what? You know what? Just step out of the vehicle. How about that?
Oh, wait, never mind. He ran
Give me
away.
your last transition.
Here we go.
Man, you guys
There
are
you go.
slow.
I gave it to you.
Thank you.
Can I deliver this cargo?
Or first person.
Hold on, yeah. I'm gonna go first person.
Alright,
Can I go?
Don't want to see it again.
Alright, Mr. Man.
Oh, there's your cops here.
You're the
Cops here, that's...
freaking
Hold on,
slow.
I'll just... Can't really get out of here.
Here, go through here. That's not the top.
I'm afraid I might...
Oh god, oh god.
You guys are seriously mental.
Oh,
Why are there so many ambulances and cars back there? Well, there's only one ambulance, but
This guy better move! Okay.
you guys are seriously... This is taking up the video. I'm not your friend anymore. I'm gonna find new people. Up and Adam. Once
have
it
to call
pings,
somebody
eat like
now.
kings. Call 'em off.
Dude, this guy! What's going all wrong?
What are you guys... I'm getting out of my truck. What are you guys doing? Daring your
What the-
freaking truck!
I can't get out of here.
You should have just pulled out the other way.
Or you'll make it worse. Okay. I think I'm okay.
Are you actually able to drive
Nope.
now and not get pulled over again?
No, probably not. Hold on.
If you still have the cops on you, call
It's
call
just
'em
my
off real
tray.
quick.
It's just my tray that's messed up. Okay, I'm fine. I'm just gonna plow through all this. There we go. There we go.
Yeah,
Okay,
we-
I'm fine. Okay, hold on. Give me a
Okay,
second.
resume session.
For real.
It takes 85 years to get to Fleet Bay.
Yeah, we still have 6 miles left.
Yeah?
Who? Oh.
Come on, this is a long red light. Thank you.
Dude, this man, dude, I can't really get on the highway and be like, and be such fast paced because everyone's just crashing
Yeah,
into
we'll
my,
be able to go faster.
and everyone's just crashing into my
Dude,
trailer.
what the
See, look
heck?
at
The
this dude.
freaking cement truck. That cement truck just is hitting me.
I'm going first person.
Corey, how are you gonna see what Darren does bad if you're in front of him?
I was looking behind me every once in a while.
Huh? Oh.
I just heard you.
See, look, this is the semi truck I was talking about as well. Will that one work?
Oh
Darren?
yeah. I'm kind of caught on the red light.
Just go.
Or again? Wait, what?
But Jake just got a green light. He went and...
No, it's that pedestrian that was in front of me. That
Thank God
Wait.
there was no cop in front of me. Okay, no, Corey,
Yeah.
I did go. It was yellow, and then I passed it. It turned red.
Were you in the interstate when you turned around?
No, I was my front of the truck was passed when it turned red.
Oh, dude, you turned to the red light. Hey!
You guys suck.
This is always the red light.
Yes, it is. Oh, this thing has bad braking. I almost flew across the freaking road.
How are these semi trucks running? Oh.
I know, right? There's still a lot of
You
people in
guys-
this session.
There's
Yeah, but
another
none of
red
them
light.
have came for us.
Yeah.
Big win for us.
Oh my God. I'm going to at this. I'm gonna just stop at this light over here. Oh wait, no, I have to stop here anyways. Cause I can't turn. So yeah, Wait, what is that? Oh, it's the building.
Oh my. Hello, sir.
Corey, I'm gonna tell you something at the end of the video. That's kind of not okay.
What?
No, I can't tell you till after the video
What?
because it's special. My God, how far are you guys? Are you guys finally coming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see Darren. Dude!
Oh Jesus.
What the heck happened to my truck?
Corey, do we have permission to just go on to the next fight or skip this?
Why?
Cause this is very
Yeah, go.
creepy. See this guy? This guy right here.
Oh!
What?
Me.
Darren.
Oh.
Yeah, because I couldn't get over.
Jake! Jake!
That's
I
not
can't
my
get over.
fault.
Because a bunch of cars were there.
Yeah. Forget that, yeah.
Oh, you said forget that one? Darren, stay
Yeah.
on the other. Yeah, stay on that lane. I'll stay on this one.
Well, don't I have to get over to turn onto the highway?
Fine, then get behind me. Yeah.
See, Rockstar made these roads like really bad.
How did they improve that? The AI's more.
Corey's freaking in
smarter.
front of the
See, look
cars.
at this guy.
It
What is?
looks-
Okay, he's swimming to the other lane.
Nope,
What
he
are
did
you-
pass. Corey. What are these guys doing?
Finally, the highway. Jeez.
I don't have to worry about red lights.
That's my turn signal. Corey, so I made a legal turn.
Do you guys hear that?
Hear what?
Me just freaking honking. Oh, watch out, there's a guy
No.
over here. Just in case he wants to shoot you.
His name is Rock. I don't know.
Jake, wait up!
Look, I said Rocks Crocs. Yeah. Did
Well,
you
I'm
just
supposed to-
technically run a red light up there?
Jake,
There
wait.
was no light.
I can't see if you're
Why are
anything
you guys
bad.
so far back?
Because Darren's up at a red light. So you're probably speeding.
No, I went up the thing instead.
Okay. These cars, dude. Why are they like stopping?
I'm just taking like little routes. Just to make it fun.
Funner?
Yep, funner. That's the word.
First person's kind of fun.
I bet. Oh god, I don't have a windshield tip. I'm going like 80.
I'm going 40. 45.
Not. Yeah, I'm going like 80 or 90. I don't know.
If the video's too short, will it stop by,
Well, right now it's 14 minutes long, so I mean that's not that short. So it'll probably be good by the time I'm here. And I haven't even got pulled over yet. I'm a good boy.
well, you almost did, but we just decided to skip it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a guy coming up.
Oh, yeah?
Ten word pedestrians. Third.
No, I gotta cross.
Oh,
Oh, I almost hit that car. I almost hit that car.
Jake, you know, you don't need to do that. You don't need to go up there.
Why not? It's fun.
First person's kind of fun. Kind of doing the
Oh, wait,
first person.
there's the same truck you have, Darren, in front of me.
Yeah. Jake, oh my god, your truck.
What about it?
Kind of lagged out for a second.
My semi-truck's fast compared to yours.
Well, in the beginning, I was kind of like just tapping on the gas.
Yeah. Where's Corey at? Oh, never mind, I see him.
I'm still in first person.
I'm not. Cause I can see what is in front of me. I'm talking solo, I bet
Kind
you
of hard
really
looking
can't
behind me
hear
because of cages.
Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, man?
Jake, what's happening?
I don't know what you're talking about. My truck's not even glitching. What do you mean? Like, what does it show on your
Oh
screen?
no, you were just on like the other side, like the road.
Oh, yay, I'm level
Go.
98 now.
What?
Oh, I got
Whoa!
paid $5,000.
Darren hit me.
No, it wasn't him. It was the pedestrian.
Oh, wait, that was the pedestrian. He wants to fight. Hold on. He wants to fight. Man, I'll show you who wants to fight, bro.
He doesn't want to fight. He doesn't want. Oh, he does.
I love how I'm punching a man when the cop's right here.
That's self-defense, Mike. Self-defense.
For real.
Did you kill him?
Yeah, he killed him.
Yeah, he's gone.
Well, I should find you for that, buddy.
Yeah, give me a ticket. Come give me a ticket. Because I do have to get a ticket for that.
Yeah, you killed him.
You wanted the ticket?
Yep, I want a ticket because I'm so rich.
What are the windows?
Hi, sir.
Oh, third window.
Oh, okay. Bring.
Step out the car, please. Follow me.
Uh-oh.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that? You know
I
this
don't
man?
know.
You know that
No,
man?
I have no clue who he is. I
Look
know
at his
this
face.
man.
Any witnesses?
I know this man.
Oh, what is this?
No. Nope. Oh, there's a. Oh,
Witness.
that looks like a nice truck.
So you with this man on the floor?
What the?
Alright, we better go. We're taking up some traffic.
Wait.
Alright, you're gonna go
Yo,
for-
what happened to
Where'd
my
you get-
trailer?
Yeah, I know, right? Wait, what the?
I'll pick it back up. Hold on.
You're gonna go to
I can
court,
drive
okay?
it again. Wait,
Oh,
what?
no, you went.
What the? What the?
I shot you.
I have this on video. I have it on video. That's weird.
What the?
What the? It's
I kind of want this other guy's truck. It's more in better condition. I want
Here, I'll take your truck then, Darren, because mine's lagging. What the heck?
Oh, never mind. It is really in bad condition. Wait, is it? I can't tell. I don't know if the bumper
take-
flew off or something. Whatever.
I'm gonna take yours then. Actually, no.
Go
Yeah,
here,
that's
yeah.
someone else. Why do I have a gun out? All right, now we
Oh
can
no,
actually
okay,
get
yeah,
back to the
it's
freaking
definitely
trip.
back here. Look, I'm gonna take this truck actually. I'm taking this one. I'm boogering this guy.
Okay, but Jared, stick up.
Okay, I'm switching trucks.
Hurry up.
Oh. Are you
Yeah, I
kidding
can
me?
see you in the distance.
Help.
I can't
No,
get
my
up.
trailer.
No. I'm stuck.
Dude, my trailer. What's wrong with this?
Oh, I got you.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Hold on. My trailer. Is it messed up? I don't know. Dude, a freaking car just drove under my freaking trailer.
Oh, come on.
Here, I'll help.
Come on. Okay, that works too. Okay, of course, stop. Okay, good.
I don't have a trailer.
Oh, this one's fast.
I don't have a trailer.
You don't have no hood
It
either.
fell. It fell. I'll find another one. Maybe.
I need to be caught in this.
You wanna?
Here, I'll be the cop right now. Because. Oh, yeah.
Sure.
I'll be the cop. Because the video's about to be over since we're almost to Polito. So. Dude,
You
your
gotta make
car
a-
is so
you gotta-
messed up.
You gotta make a complete skin.
Yeah, I know,
Have to.
but
Oh my
it's
God.
fine. No, why am I getting in that guy's car? I just want the cop car. Okay, I'm in.
You can go, sir. Go, you can go. Up to you.
Oh, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Respect.
I'm honking at you. For good respect, boy. Gotta make sure Corey don't do anything.
Blinker left, blinker.
I have a perfect spot to park up. Wait, at a gas station or?
Nick, why can't you just
Dude,
wait?
this-
Why can't you just wait until we get there?
Wait.
We switch.
Because
our
once we're there,
destination
the
is
video's over.
Toledo. I mean, I kind of make it a bit longer because our. What the?
Oh, what the?
What?
Nick, why are you going after him?
Man, I'm a bad cop.
Yeah, you're kind of bad.
No, you didn't even see what I just did.
Kill him
No,
with kindness, at least.
not yet. Wait, why is this man stopped in the middle of the road?
That was me. Okay.
Okay, now you're definitely getting pulled over.
You were
Hold it.
you stopped in the middle of my lane. That was on you.
No, you could have braked. It's not hard to brake.
Okay.
Oh God.
You're in first person.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to step out the vehicle. Why are you wearing a police officer suit if you're not?
Is that why you pulled him over?
And you hit my car back there.
I just robbed the bank.
Ah, shoot. Get in the back of the police car right now. Thank you.
Who's in van?
Oh yeah, there's a freaking dead
Oh,
cop. I
oh.
forgot. He's been here the whole time. Alright, you're coming with me, bud.
Oh, there's a police station right up here.
Mark it, bro.
I think it's like right here. I can't. Just go. Keep going.
Wait, why'd you stop? Oh, okay,
Oh.
sorry, that was my fault.
Okay. Well, usually when
What
cops have
is pulled
sirens,
over?
you have to pull over or,
Oh, yeah, no, but then I turned it on.
like, if you see like ambulance. Wait, where are we going?
Yeah. Turn.
Turn. Damn it.
No, this is.
Well, I'd be switching lanes, and I get pulled over for that. So
I have to
I'm being
go
a good
to-
boy.
Wait,
Okay,
where's the
This
police
way.
station, Corey?
Keep
Wait,
going, keep
did
going.
you mark the? Okay.
Go. Dude, there's something. Truck. There's something wrong with trucks.
I know, right? Something's wrong with Darren's truck. I'm gonna have to pull him over for that, just to make sure he's okay. Pull over a second, sir.
Pull over.
Yes, pull over. I'm not speaking
Sorry.
Chinese.
You having a bad day or something?
Shut the hell up. Stay in the car.
I heard him. I heard him switch seat.
Me too. Let me hop in your car. Chase after that man. Chase after him.
Are you in
Wait, I'm
yet?
gonna get in. Alright, go.
What's up, bro? How's your day?
Turn. I'll give you some money for this if you help me catch him.
Hey, where'd you go?
Alright,
Where'd you go?
jump out.
Hey,
Oh, he's right there.
policeman.
How'd he die?
He's good. There's a policeman.
Mr. Boone, you
Where's
okay?
Legit. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Okay. Oh my god,
Darren.
I'm
Hey, sir, put your hands up, sir. Put your hands up. I can't see because freaking fire. Whoa.
Oh yeah, there is a police station here.
Put your hands up, sir. What? I still have to capture you, bro.
Uh-oh.
He's on the run now.
Corey,
Do you want to do
put your hand
the
up.
bicycle and then Phantom Wedge thing next?
Yeah, we can do that next year.
I'm at the police station.
Darren! Pull over, pull over, pull over.
Corey, get in. We can escape this together. Oh, never mind. My tires are popped, so I'm not going anywhere.
Wait, what's here?
Can you guys, like, freaking wait? Wait, where are you?
Corey, get in.
Wait,
Hold on,
hold
hold on.
on.
Hold on, I want to see.
Look,
What
why?
is it? What?
Look.
Oh, the building? Are you guys talking about this building right here?
Where are you guys going?
Who died?
Crazy.
Police! Police! Better robbery! Better robbery! That's one of the police officer. Ow!
He just got hit by a truck.
Wait, where's my trailer go?
That was so funny. Hey, the truck despawned.
Hey!
Sir, put your hands up. Okay, god dang, you don't have to take it serious.
There's been a
Oh,
robbery!
I'm gonna get in this truck. This one looks pretty thick.
Oh, I can't get in here.
Move. Alright, where'd you guys go? Alright, come pick me up.
What's this? My car's still here.
What car?
At my Nero.
From what?
I parked it in my budget.
Oh, yeah. No, shake! No, stop! No!
Alright, I arrested them both. It's okay.
Okay, you should kill us both.
The best cop.
Is me.
Ah, you got rid of
What
him.
the? I'm killing real cops. They
Cops?
betrayed mine. They betrayed me. I literally killed the criminals.
And you get none, and you don't get any respect.
Nope. They gotta kill me. Alright, I'm gonna end it. Damn! I was just about to pop you, but you
Flop
popped
on the
me.
ground.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video. We're gonna end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, you disappeared.
We will see you all in another GTA.